Here at Lloyd Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Defender D250 XS Edition, finished in Santorini Black metallic paint, with 20-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include LED headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and below the rear bumper we have the electrically deployable tow bar. Looking now behind the rear door, we can see the load space with the 2040 rear folding seats. Entering now into the rear of the cabin, we can see the sliding panoramic roof from the inside. We have the Ebony Grained Leather seats, with ice-fixed child seat mounts, and on the centre console we have the rear climate vents. As we enter into the front of the cabin now, we can see the Meridian sound system badge on the door card, and turning in we can view the heated and cooled front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the cruise control, the interactive driver display with satellite navigation, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the heated and cooled seat controls. We also have the 3D surround camera display with towing assist view, and on the centre console we can see the climate controls with the gear selector and ride height buttons. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.